Welcome to this week's edition of Endocrinology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Bone health takes center stage as experts reaffirm bone turnover markers like PANP and beta-CTXI as gold standards in osteoporosis management. New markers such as BALP and TRACK5B show added potential, particularly in chronic kidney disease-related cases. An open-label placebo study surprises many, demonstrating a 79% reduction in PMS symptoms without deception, emphasizing the power of education, transparency, and patient belief. Environmental concerns arise as Metformin, a widely prescribed diabetes drug, is shown to be lethally toxic to zebrafish embryos. High doses resulted in deformities, delayed development, and death, highlighting the impact of pharmaceutical runoff on aquatic ecosystems. Digital innovation continues to reshape type 2 diabetes care. Virtual self-management tools led to significant reductions in A1C levels over 6 months across both rural and urban populations, suggesting scalable, cost-effective impact. Gut health takes a promising turn. An SCFA-based oral biotherapy enhanced immune profiles and delayed type 1 diabetes onset in mouse models, paving the way for trials in newly diagnosed or high-risk individuals. A new study links trace metal levels in early pregnancy to gestational diabetes risk. Elevated copper levels were associated with increased risk, while higher calcium appeared protective. These findings support early metal screening in prenatal care. In thyroid cancer diagnostics, a novel PET imaging tracer, zirconium-89 labeled thyrotrophin alpha, demonstrated high uptake in TSH receptor-positive xenografts. With its FDA-approved base molecule, this tracer may soon advance to clinical use. Artificial intelligence outperforms specialists in detecting diabetic retinopathy, with the ARENE system showing over 92% sensitivity and 90% specificity. The Czech study highlights AI's potential to offer scalable, accurate global screening. In the SURPASS-SWITCH Phase 4 trial, tirzepatide outperformed dulaglutide in type 2 diabetes patients, reducing HbA1c by 1.44% and weight by over 10 kilograms. Importantly, no major safety concerns were identified, making therapy switching a viable strategy. A new nomogram model, developed using the UK Biobank, predicts 2, 3, and 5-year osteoporosis risk. Incorporating bone mineral density, lifestyle, and clinical data, the model achieved strong validation metrics, offering a personalized approach to early prevention. In a pioneering trial, City of Hope researchers investigate denosumab's potential to protect and regenerate beta cells in type 1 diabetes. By blocking RANKL/RANK signaling, denosumab could slow autoimmune destruction. The Phase 1/2 trial is currently enrolling at multiple U.S. centers. Artificial neural networks are being applied to predict osteoporosis risk in chronic kidney disease patients. One such model, using 8 key features, achieved an AUC of 0.930, pointing to a non-invasive, cost-effective screening method for patients with CKD stages 3 through 5 and end-stage kidney disease. Finally, Samsung Bioepis receives regulatory approval in Korea for Obodens, a Prolia biosimilar. The approval adds to their growing portfolio and may expand access to affordable osteoporosis treatments nationwide. Stay ahead in endocrinology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consultation.